Insiders, Emille here with Inside the Magic, and I'm currently at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. This resort is one of my all-time favorites. I love the vibe, I love the location and proximity close to Magic Kingdom. It's a monorail resort, it's got amazing dining, it's just a great place to stay. But one of the other reasons I love this resort is because you can actually see Magic Kingdom fireworks from here, and bonus, they pipe in the music. So whenever you happen to be visiting the resort, say you're having dinner at Ohana or at Kona Cafe, make sure you plan it out so that you can stay and go down to the beach and watch the fireworks from Magic Kingdom. May it be happily ever after, or maybe if there's fireworks from a party, Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party or Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, you can actually watch those fireworks from here. And another pro tip, they sell Dole Whip. So go to the Pineapple Lanai and get yourself some Dole Whip, go down to the beach, and you can actually check out Magic Kingdom's fireworks every night from the Poly. So I'm gonna show you guys some beautiful views of the resort, and I'm gonna show you my favorite spots to watch the fireworks. So check it out, stay tuned.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us.
Getting to watch Happily Ever After from Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. So here at the beach, you can hear it clearly. They even have some beach chairs that you can hang out. It's just a super cool spot to watch the fireworks. So next time you're visiting, make sure you time it right, time your reservation so that when you're done enjoying delicious Ohana or just hanging out here, if you're staying at the resort, come out to the beach, check them out. We hope you guys enjoyed, and we will be back with more tips. See you real soon.